Snagged a big, huge carp. Big, huge carp. Got him right on the fin somehow. Maybe the dorsal fin. Big carp. Oh, he's taking off. Ooh. It's a big carp. Ah, come on. Man, must be like 20 pounds. Come on. Here's yellow. I can see it. It's a carp. Big one too. They're spawning right now. They're not biting, but you're fishing for something else, and every now and then you snag them. Yep. Oh man, that's a big, huge male. I think. Usually the females are prettier than the male. This is pretty ugly looking, so I'm guessing this is a female, male. It's probably like 15 pounds. Big carp. Oh, it's a female. Ugly, but it's a female. Oh, look at that. Just got another carp. Can't believe it. He took my jig. The carp ate the jig. Ate a big, huge jig. I thought it was a wiper, but it's a carp. Ooh, he ate the jig. There's a male, a little small male. Big carp, Utah carp right here. Weather-based carp. Ooh, go over here. So let you go. Don't splash me. Come on. Got him on the chin. Woohoo! Big carp. Ooh, there's something. There's something right there. Another big carp. Ooh, snag another big carp. Oh, this is fun. Ooh. Oh. Around the dorsal fin. Ah, big carp, big carp. Ooh. Ooh, okay, come on. This one's gonna be a fighter. the hell? They drag slipping. Come on. It's coming over here. No, don't go into the bushes. No bushes. No bushes. Oh. There he is. There he is. Big carp. Big carp. Ooh. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, got him right on the gills. Oh. Oh, that'll be like a 10-pound, 15-pound carp. Oh. Come on. Gotta let it go. Gotta let it go. Come on, dude. Okay. Wow, that's a big carp. Yeah. Big old willow-bait carp. That was fun. Yeah, let's try it over here. Maybe the fish are over here. The other fish, anyway. Ooh. Caught something. Caught something. Something using a crappie jig. Maybe I just snagged a carp or something. But I caught something. Well, carp probably took my jig. Hopefully it's a big crappie. I doubt it. It's a big carp. There's a big carp. Oh, come on. Carp took my jig. What the hell is it? Oh, don't go with it. I'll break my line. Damn it. Oh, come on. Shit. What is it? Big carp. Big carp. Big carp. Let me see. Hey, it's a wiper. Oh, the wiper. Big wiper. Ooh, big wiper, big wiper. Oh. Oh, big wiper. Big wiper on a crappie jig. Right on. And I thought I couldn't catch nothing. Wow. How about that? Just catch gotta catch some crappie and caught wiper. Catch wiper and catch carp. Nice. Nice fish right there. It's a Willer Bay Viper. It's like a 4-pound fish right there. Well, we got one. One. Right. Try it again. Fishing for crappie and catch viper. Fishing for viper and catch crappie. Well, fishing for carp, maybe catch viper. Well, caught another one. I guess the viper are feeding. They're on the surface. They're no longer on the bottom. They're out roaming around. I'm catching them on crappie jigs. This is number 2 right here. And hopefully it's a... Oh, this one is like huge, man. Feels like it's a carp. Maybe it is a carp. You don't never know what you catch with a crappie jig. It's pretty heavy. It's either it's a big one or it's a big viper or a big carp. Probably. Yeah, I think it's a viper. Usually, yeah, fights like a viper. Come on. Let me see you. Yeah, I mean, I didn't see it yet, so it's a viper. Gotta be a viper. Usually, if it's a carp, you can see it, the yellow reflections. I'm not seeing anything, so it's gotta be a viper. Give him a net here. Getting ready to net him. It's a viper. Oh, big viper, big viper, big viper. Come on. Oh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's number 2. Number 2 on a crappie jig. Maybe that's all we're using. Little tube jigs. Nice. One more. One more and we can go crappie fishing. Yeah, nobody wants to fish over here because they're not catching them. But I guess it's gonna have to keep rotating your fishing method until you find something that works. And apparently, crappie jig. When nothing else is biting, crappie jigs. Yeah. Well, we caught one from over there. Let's see if we catch more from over there. One from over there and one from over there. Let's see. Trying not to hook my pole in the back here. I guess I better relocate this so I don't snag my own pole. And hopefully I don't forget that when I go home. Boy, I gotta. Sucker. The hell?
Did you get a whitebeard?
Sucker.
Oh, he snagged a sucker.
Just snag him. A sucker. I didn't snag him. Thought it was a carp. A sucker. Just as good. Oh, big sucker. Nice if that was a walleye. Oh, he'll make it.